What's the meaning of ash tree? Ash tree. Ash tree.
Ash tree. Ash tree. An ash tree is a type of deciduous tree that belongs to the genus Fraxinus and is commonly found in North America, Europe, and Asia. These trees can grow up to 80 feet tall and have a distinctive bark that is light gray or beige. The leaves of an ash tree are compound, with several leaflets arranged on a central stem. The wood of an ash tree is prized for its strength, elasticity, and hardness, and is often used to make furniture, sports equipment, and tools. In many cultures, the ash tree is also associated with strength, endurance, and wisdom.